Welcome back, beautiful souls. If you want to erase dark spots and get crystal clear skin naturally without spending a fortune on expensive creams, subscribe and join our family right now. Today, I'm revealing a powerful 3-ingredient DIY toner that will amaze you. Soak 2 tablespoons of rice in 1 cup of water for 24 hours to ferment, then strain. Completely dissolve 2 lentil-sized pieces of solid licorice extract into the liquid. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of rose water and pour it into your spray bottle. Why it works so fast? Licorice is the most powerful natural spot eraser that stops melanin production. Fermented rice water is loaded with ferulic acid to brighten and refresh dull skin. Rose water tightens pores and restores your skin's natural pH. Two crucial safety tips. Always perform a patch test on your inner arm first. Also, since it's 100% natural with no preservatives, always keep it refrigerated and use it within 5 to 7 days max. Spray twice daily on clean skin and don't forget your sunscreen during the day. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this, and subscribe for more DIY skincare secrets.